Okay, let's take a look at the little temperature gauge here. Yeah, it is bordering close to 100 in the hangar in shade, and it's pretty early morning, so whew, in Virginia here it gets very hot, plus the humidity. So what does that mean? Basically, I have figured out a way for my plane to get kind of a redneck air conditioner going here. This is called the Kool Scoop, and as you can see, it's a pretty simple solution to a problem that plagues many pilots, getting fresh air in the cabin. I know a lot of people like to have the door open there during taxi, or keep their little window ajar there, but be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of keeping the door open during taxi. It's just one of my things. I try not to do it that often, but cool thing is, not sponsored or anything, just got this off the interwebs there. I'll put in the link below and I'll show you how I'm going to actually install it. It seems pretty simple. I haven't installed one of these before, so you guys are going to follow me through the installation path, but pretty much you can figure it out here. It's got the little hinge there, and it just hangs out your little window cutout, and you flip it up when you're about to take off, but during taxi you put it right back in the window, and well, we'll see. So I'm going to attempt to install this with you with like one hand. We'll see how far that goes and see how well it does. So install and then taxi around and my impressions. So here we go. Let's give it a try. It seems very simple here. It's pretty much clean the inside of the window, open the vent window. That kind of makes sense, right? Peel off the protective paper, and then that's pretty much it. You can adjust the hinges if you want. So kind of a step 1, 2, 3 type of thing. For those who are interested in the right-hand window, apparently this company, Kool Scoop, or whoever makes this, has made a STC right-hand window as well. So that's pretty cool. I'm not too worried about that. So this is my little window cutout. As you can see, most Pipers have this kind of configuration here. So the first step is to clean off this little area right here. Recommends denatured alcohol, don't have any, and I'll be honest with you, I don't think it makes too much of a difference. If it does, I will do a post video saying it flew off or something like that. But the sticky tape seems pretty robust. So I've got my special window wipes here. Why not use them if you got them? And then that's just water down there. So I will save you from me squirting the window and wiping it. But basically that's the gist. So you squirt it, you wipe it, you clean that area off, you let it to dry, and then we'll go to the next step. So hang short. Okay, well, that was thrilling. For those who were super interested, I put water on the little window wipes. I wipe the window. It is nice and dry now, so it's a clean, dry, non-dirty surface. So the next step in this really technical installation here is to align the little scoop here, just like that, making sure you don't, hit your little tab or go over, too far to the left or up or down. You get the point. We're putting a scoop in a little hole here. So what I'm going to do is, again, save you from this mess of peeling the sticker and placing it to cutting to the actual, well, placement. So give us a second and we'll show you the placement. And ta-da. So sorry for the finger here. So pretty simple thing here. What I did actually to help other people, just the smallest tip here is when you peel the tape off from the back here, it's just a clear plastic backing to the sticky side. What I did first was I laid this part in and let it kind of get seated, and then I pushed this down. You can see I'm sweating here. It is burning up in the hangar, especially in the plane, so this is going to be awesome. And then another thing is you don't want to push too hard. If you push too hard, that would, well, that would be bad. Either nothing will happen, which is probably the best scenario, or, you get a little crazy and you're pushing and pushing and pushing, and you push out your window. That would suck. So the only thing that really needs to be done is just kind of use finger pressure there. That's literally all I'm doing to get this on here. This window's flat. It's going to be a nice surface. These are pretty decent as it looked, like clingy bits, the little sticker thing. I've seen these type of stickers before and other things, so I don't think it's going to fly off. But remember, with that being said, this is for ground taxi only. As soon as you have finished taxiing and are ready to get off the ground, make sure to flip this up, lock it, and you're ready to go. That should be that should definitely be a step there. If you're feeling nice cool air, that should be your reminder. Oh yeah, I need to close my little window here. Some people fly with this open, some don't. Just, you know, manage your manual there, your POH. But boop, there we go. So this is pretty much it. Thrilling. But I am hoping for quite a bit of air. The reviews on these things are awesome. So the next step is actually trying this out. I get to fly. Woohoo! So here we go to the taxi. Actually installed. The propellers are going. Oh, that's cool looking. But yeah, it's amazing. Oh, that's not gonna work. But yeah, it sure beats doing this little kooky thing when you're taxiing around. So I'm gonna go flying. I'm super excited about this, and when I'm ready to take off, I just flip that thing over. It just kind of goes in. Oh, I hate to do this, but boop, there we go, and I'm done. And as soon as I land, I'm going to flip that open. That gets sucked in, or sucked out, I guess. And then there we go. So I'm good to go. When I flew with it, I actually did really well. It's pretty awesome how it worked, actually. And the thing is, you just got to remember to flip this thing off when you're ready to take off, or flip it in. It's kind of like having air conditioner on the ground, which is pretty sweet. If you haven't seen my video about the AC unit that was built out of Kool, that will save you like hundreds of dollars. Seriously, no joke. I will try to link the video here, but on the ground, this is the way to go. I mean, it's pretty awesome. So, you know, even if you just have this, you do your taxi, you take off, you start climbing to get into that nice cool air, you should be really good to go, especially if you couple that with the cooler. It is hot out there, so stay cool. All right, so that's pretty much it. Stay thrifty. See ya.